Hey, what's up? This is my Huina 1580. I see a lot of unboxing videos, but not too many videos of them in action, well, at least not in English. So I figured I'll make one. So to get it started, first you turn on the tractor. It's got a little switch right down here, and then you turn on the controller. And that sound kind of bugs me, so I turn it off with this button here. On the controller, it has a little display of the range signal, like how strong the signal is on the top left corner. You could put in a password, if I don't know for what, so I haven't really messed with it. Or a time display, that's like a play time. I'm not sure what that is either. Maybe to log how long you play at a time, I guess. On the top left corner, top right corner of the controller is a control or receiver battery life level or whatever. Bottom right corner is a tractor battery level. And okay, I'm gonna try and do this one hand on my buddy here to film this here. And just so this is what you track it with. Rear, forward, or you spin it. Obviously, the tracking will be opposites. But anywho, we're gonna do a little bit of digging with it. So as you can see, I'm still pretty new at this, so I'm not really smooth. I bought the cat stickers as well, but I only put them on one side. See right there. Overall, I think it's well worth the money. Every function works really, really well. And the controls, like the joysticks, are pretty close to the real thing, like as far as the functions on the sides and stuff, and like the dipping of the bucket, which is this other joystick. And the smoker says it doesn't come with that fluid, but I press a button, which is this button right here, and I don't know if this thing will capture camera, but I don't think it captures it. But it actually does blow very little smoke. Maybe I need to add some more fluid. I'm gonna try and adding that vape fluid that people vape with, see what it does. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show people a little bit of what it can do. I know it seems kind of slow, but the battery's kind of running low on it too. You have to charge it for like 4 hours or something. And the cab is pretty nice in there. You see little joysticks on the right side there. Another one right here. Wait a minute, let me see. Can't really see it, but take a look there. Another little, see, so the cab is pretty nice. Overall, it's a fun, nice little excavator. Everything actually is steel, how they display, how they advertise it. And these lights do work, but only with the sound, which kind of sucks, but whatever. And also, it's got a metal gear. I know the other one came with a plastic gear, the cheaper, or like the first gen or something. There's a second gen. This here's where the battery goes. You twist this. But there's a smoker system. And yep, pretty pleased with the purchase. That's about it. Okay, peace.